Hello everyone, welcome to Wall.E Tech and Tips. Today I show how to add desktop icon, that means my computer icon on my desktop. Here see that in my desktop only recycle ammunition and icon is entered into my computer by clicking on my computer icon. And how to add I will show. For this right click your mouse and from the personalize option click on personalize and go to themes and scroll down your cursor and from the related setting go to icon settings and click on computer and click on OK. See, the computer icon will appear and I can enter into my computer here. Thank you all.